Okay, this is going to be a video that's going to be an addendum to Monday, July the 6th. In this video, we're going to discuss how resistance becomes support. You've heard it over and over again. How simple, though, is visual energy analysis in revealing when this takes place. We're going to look at a larger chart frame such as the weekly chart here for the NQ September 15th contract. This could be any chart frame, a yearly, or could be as small as a 600 tick, or even our Renko trade chart. In this video, we're going to look at these horizontal lines that we draw from our crests and valleys. You'll notice that we've drawn a green line here for support for our valley. We could easily draw another one right here, such as this one here. What we're looking at is we're looking at where there is significant order flow in the market. Why is it significant? Well, it's significant to us because it bends our energy midline either up, creating a valley of support like these green lines, or bends them down, creating an energy resistance point with these pink lines. You'll notice there's one there, one here, and then just recently in the market, one right here. Well, what we look at with visual energy analysis is when we have our strong dots. This dot here, you'll notice, is strong when it climbs above this solid white midline I'm pointing to, such as here, here, and here. That's strong energy. On the retrace, we're looking for this resistance line to associate with the yellow. When it does, this is where we're looking to engage the strong trend up. There'll be times when we retrace back to the solid white midline where this green up arrow is pointing. Can also be a potential retrace to get long. Then you'll notice this crest that I'm pointing to here, drawn in pink. It's extended across, and you'll notice again, as price pulls back, it pulls back to this white solid line and is a retrace after we've had strong dots. Notice the dots again being above the solid white midline. This is a strong trend. Now the difference that I'm going to discuss next is what makes visual energy analysis very distinct when looking at strong trends. I've drawn a red up arrow to make it stand out a little more. I want to illustrate how these dots right here, as we push up above this pink line, this is a crest of resistance. We're pushing above just like we pushed above here and we pushed above here. This pink line we pushed above with strong dots. This pink line we pushed above with strong dots. Remember, strong dots are above the solid white midline. Here you'll notice that we're rallying above this pink line of resistance, but look at our dots. They're weak. In other words, they're below this solid white line. And price is retracing back not only to our resistance, which, does not support, we're retracing back to this valley here where we got a very, very small amount of energy out of. And then we've placed a crest, a resistance level. Can you see how Drummond Energy Bands Software with visual energy analysis shows that this trend is weakening? It's very simple when you're using these dots and these crests and valley lines to spot the trends. If you look at today's video review, being Monday, July the 6th, you'll notice that there were several strong trend trades that we used on our focus frame day trading chart, just like we're discussing here on our weekly chart frame. Remember, it could be a weekly, could be a yearly chart. The patterns are fractal in nature and they're always repeating. Thanks very much for listening.